Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ubay bin Ka'b radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said that he kept some dates in a vessels, but he found that the quantity was decreasing day by day. Suddenly, one night he saw a creature that resembled a teenager boy. Ubay radiyallahu ta'ala anhu greeted him and asked him, "Are you a jinn or a human?" He replied, "He is a jinn." Ubay checked his hand, which looked like a dog's paw with fur. Ubay asked him, "Why you came here?" The jinn replied that we heard that you do charities work, so we came here to take our share from your food. Ubay radiyallahu ta'ala anhu asked him, "What will protect us from you and other jinns? What we have to do, what we have to recite that we can be protected from you and jinns?" The jinn replied, "Ayatul Kursi. Reading Ayatul Kursi in the morning will protect from us till the evening, and reading it at evening will protect you from us till the morning." Ubay radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, "I went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and told him about what had happened." Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that evil one spoke the truth, that the jinn spoke the truth, and the story is true, that Ayatul Kursi, if we recite it in the morning, we will be protected from every evil until evening, and if we recite it in the evening, we will be protected from every evil until morning. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.